my new listing at East 7th Street in the East Village. That's the Flower Box building, which is a really interesting building in the East Village. So let's take a look at the apartment. We have kind of living, dining. Again, it's a small 1-bedroom, but super cute and well done. These guys, I sold it to my clients about 4 years ago. He's a carpenter. They use it as a pied-à-terre. So he's really taken advantage of all the nooks and crannies, and I'll show you that in a second. But this is cool. They never cook, but behind here is a refrigerator, sink, stove, washer, dryer, and I'll show you sort of how I would handle it if I'm living here. I would take these 2 doors off and expose that. Dining area, air conditioner, really cool rustic door for privacy. He's put a really nice rustic Murphy bed in so you can tuck it away. And then if you have guests over, you can have people here. Again, another little spot that he found where he made cabinets. Come through to the bathroom, you have a smoke door. Behind there you have a medicine cabinet, cute sink, another window in the toilet room, and then in the shower, you have another window, and really cool. The bench, and just really sweet and well done. Let's take a quick look at the kitchen and how I think you would handle it if you're living here full time. Again, if you're using it as a pied-à-terre, I think it's sweet how they've done it, for sure. Very tidy, very sophisticated. But first, I keep this door here. You have a washer and dryer, a lot of storage, closet space. Then you have the refrigerator with a microwave. Currently, I think you can change this into a convection oven, and a lot of good storage here. And then on this side, you have the sink and stove, electric stove. Again, I would probably pull those 2 doors off if you're going to live here full time. If not, it's really clean living in the East Village, sunny, facing 2 windows facing north, and you get great morning light, and then you get great reflective light as well, pretty much all day. So, give me a call. East Village, Mark O'Brien.